Before you use the law of attraction, watch this video. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Before you use the law of attraction, please watch this video. Let's dive right into it. So before you use the law of attraction, you gotta know something. You're not your body. You're not your body. You're a soul, you're a spiritual being. Who you are, the real essence of who you are, you cannot even see. But what happens is, you might have the tendency to use the law of attraction. You think about, I want this, I want that, but your desires, the things that you want in life, your goals, are based off of your past and who you see in the mirror. I'm Billy, I'm this tall, I'm capable of this, I have this many rolls in my stomach, therefore, I'll be lucky if I find someone, and I'm Susie, and I've done this, and here was my GPA, and here's how good I was at math, so here's how much money I can make, and here's what I did last year. We base our future based off of our past. But you're not your past because you're not your body. See, this reality that you see right now while you're watching this video, not just the video, but look around you. Take 1 second right now, look at the walls around you or wherever you are, look around you. That's called visible light. That's it, it's called visible light. Everything is energy. Comment that down below. Everything is energy. Comment that down below. Everything is energy. Comment that down below. Please do me a favor. Everything is energy. Comment that down below. So the wall is energy, the chair is energy, your body is energy. The energy you can see is called visible light, but the universe is infinite. It's legitimately infinite. It's constantly expanding. And everything is energy, including you. So what is this energy that creates everything? You can call it God, Allah, Buddha, Krishna, spirit, consciousness, divine matrix, universe. It doesn't matter. Alan Watts says you cannot get wet by the word water. It's not the word. But this energy is in everything. And we're all different frequencies of that same energy, meaning we're one with God. We're one with the universe. And there's a physical part of yourself, which is your body, but then there's a non-physical part of yourself, which is the majority of who you are that you cannot see. It's a divine being. It's not bound to the physical limitations. And it's certainly not bound to your past, and it's certainly not bound to, I don't have the right resources, I'm unlovable, my boobs aren't big enough, my biceps aren't big enough, I'm not very good at speaking, and I'm not good at this, and it's not bound to any of that. But what happens is, we get trapped in the physical world, then we try to manifest from the physical world. But this world is just visible light. Saying that this is ultimate reality, this world, who I am, I'm Jake and I'm 6'3" and I have blue hair, it'd be cool if I had blue hair. I have blue eyes and I have this hair and this is who I am. Saying that this is who I am is like saying I am my fingernail. Imagine walking up to me and you're like, hi, I'm Jessica. What's your name? And I say, I'm Fingernail. That'd be weird, right? Because we know that you're more than your fingernail. But saying that reality is visible light is like saying, all of the energy that exists is just a little fingernail. There's so much more that you cannot see. You're more than a body. You're a divine being. You're a soul. You're one with God. And what is God or the universe? Remember, Alan Watts says you can't get wet by the word water. So you can call it spirit, you can call it more scientific, and you can call it consciousness or energy or vibration. Doesn't matter what you call it. But what is the nature of this consciousness that has created everything that is the universe? What's the nature of it? Well, think about it. It's perfect. You started from a tiny protoplasm from dad, and you grew into who you are. It had your eye color in this tiny protoplasm. Eventually, it was able to grow your body. It has trillions of cells a part of it. It grows your fingernails. It's beat your heart this whole time. You haven't had to sit there and fidget with making your heart beat. It does it automatically. And then on a bigger scale, it makes the earth spin perfectly around the sun. We happen to be the perfect distance, if you haven't noticed. for human life to exist. A little bit further away, and you got Pluto, and this is just a giant galactic freezer. A little bit closer, and you got a super duty barbecue of fire pits, right? Like some of the planets closer to the sun. We're the perfect distance. And by the way, we're spinning through infinite space. It happens to be going perfectly so far, and it has been going perfectly for a very long time. So the universe is perfect. It can achieve anything, and it's totally infinite. The universe is always expanding. It's for expansion. So you're a micro of those macro qualities, of those universal qualities. You're a micro of it because you're an extension of it, right? So what that means is those same qualities are meant to be the governing force of your life. You're meant for constant expansion. New, enriching experiences. You're meant for your finances to keep increasing, because what's money? It's energy. And if the universe is constantly expanding, the stars are constantly expanding, galaxies are constantly being formed, what is all of it? It's energy. What is money? It's energy. Money wants to follow the same universal principles that the entire cosmos is following. Expansion. So you're meant to have even more options. You're meant to have financial freedom. You're meant to have choices, options, the house you want, the car you want, but you have to look at it this way and believe yourself as capable of it. And you might go, well, when I was 6 years old, this happened to me, and my report card, and look at my bank account. But that's not who you are, remember? You're more than your body. That's like saying you are your fingernail. So it's for constant expansion. Your life is for constant expansion. So comment down below, infinite abundance comes to me. Comment that down below, infinite abundance comes to me. See, we can't even quantify infinite. That's how much abundance you're meant to have in your life. Comment down below, infinite abundance comes to me. And it's not just abundance with money, it's abundance with relationships, it's abundance with freedom, it's abundant with success. This universe is pure love. Think about it. The sun comes up every single day. We happen to have a bunch of water. We happen to have everything we need for human life to exist. By all means, this universe must truly love us, or itself, really, because you're one with it, so it really loves itself, and you're a different aspect of it. Your true nature and your true destiny is love too, meaning you're meant to have your soulmate, and you're meant to have fulfilling, enriching relationships, and you're meant to love yourself deeply, and just like, not just love with another person, but you wake up and you're like, man, I love my life, this is great. So please, I'm inviting you, see yourself as deserving of it, because you're more than your body. You're one with this same universal essence, this same universal intelligence. So step into the stream and allow this to orchestrate your life. And now, this video was called Watch This Before You Use the Law of Attraction. Now that you know all this, comment down below, I am a divine being. Comment it down below, I'm a divine being. Now that you know all this, Law of attraction says like energy attracts like energy. Energy is never created or destroyed, so all realities already exist. Your energy, your thoughts are energy, anything you want is energy. So like energy attracts like energy. Well, what are you? You're an extension of this universal energy. You're perfect. You're for constant expansion. You're for unlimited abundance, love, happiness. Therefore, all of these things have their name on you. That's what it means when somebody says, what you want wants you. The love you want, the money you want, the freedom you want, the opportunities you want, the success you want, it wants you. It really does, because it's actually your spiritual nature to have it. So comment down below, what I want wants me. Comment that down below. What I want wants me. Comment that down below. What I want wants me. So I wanted to title this video, Watch This Before You Use the Law of Attraction, because now this is gonna shift your whole consciousness. Great things are gonna unfold in your life when you operate from this level of consciousness that is already within you. The kingdom of heaven is already within you. It's just that we're so busy looking out here that we forget. So if this video speaks to you, watch it again. Listen to this video once a day until it ingrains in. Your spiritual DNA is all of these great things. Your destiny is all of these great things. You're more than your body. You're a spiritual being, a divine spiritual being, and everything else is energy. And your resonant field of who you really are is abundance, therefore money can come to you. It's love, therefore fulfilling romantic relationships and just awesome friendships and great business opportunities and awesome colleagues, they will come to you. As well as all the other experiences that you desire. You're good enough. Comment down below, I am worthy of everything that I desire. If you have not yet, I created a technology called the second mind. So I call the first mind the old mind, you know, all those limiting beliefs, and you think you're your body, and you think God is in the universal energy is separate from you, and I'm not good enough and smart enough, and this is just, I'm being realistic here. That's the first mind. The second mind is the one that is programmed for everything that you want. And so it's right there down below, thesecondmind.com. Using neuroplasticity, using your brain, you can wire it for what you want. And I created a technology to do that for you. It's free to demo. Over 100,000 people from all over the world have used it. It's thesecondmind.com right there down below. That's thesecondmind.com right there down below. So go down, do yourself a favor, pin to the comments, thesecondmind.com right there down below. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button, the bell notification. The bell notification is what notifies you for new videos. Even if you're already subscribed, just double check you've actually hit the bell notification right over there on the side, or else you won't get notified for new videos. Hey, if this speaks to you, or if you got a friend that's interested in this stuff, please share it with them. Thank you to every single person that shares these videos. Thank you, that means you. I appreciate you. This channel, the intention of it is to upgrade human consciousness so that you see yourself as a divine being. It will help you create all the things that you want in life. And more than anything, it's going to create a more harmonious, peaceful, loving society for us all to live. So thank you for sharing these videos. And so have an absolutely beautiful day. Something great is headed your way. You're a divine being. All of who you are is programmed for greatness. So have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.